Good morning children. Hope you all fine. Now we are going to learn first standard third term EVS unit 2. The topic of this unit is our neighborhood. Learning objectives. The learners describe their neighborhood, know about different habitats, adopt safe practice. Punjole is a beautiful town. Chinu lives there with his parents. He stands in the balcony and looks around. What does he see? Yes, he saw tailoring shop, vegetable market, provision store, medical shop and etc. Observe the picture and discuss. Talk about your own neighborhood. Our neighborhood is the area around our house. People who live in the neighborhood are our neighbors. They are known to us. We can get all the things we need from our neighborhood. We must take care of our neighborhood and keep it clean. Trees and animals are part of our neighborhood. Where should Chinu go to get the things inside the circle? Connect by drawing lines. Do it at home with help of your parents. Habitat. Chinu. Where do my cousins Ram, Ramya, Rekha, Raghav and Raghu live? Mother. They live in different places. I will show you the pictures. Ram lives in a village. This is his house. He has cows and hens too. The cow shed is by the side of his house. Next, Ramya also lives in a village. She has a vegetable garden behind her house. Next, Rekha lives in a city on the third floor in a tall building. She likes her pet dog very much. Chinu. Even I want a pet dog. Mother. Okay, Chinu. Mother. Raghav lives in a hill station. He is fond of flowers. He has a beautiful flower garden in the front of his house. Then Raghu lives by the side of a river. There are many coconut trees around his house. Chinu. I like the sound of the river. Our houses should always be kept clean and tidy. Houses protect us from heat, cold, rain, storm and wild animals. Safety at school. Listen children, do not jump on desks or chairs. Use a pencil sharpener to sharpen the pencils. Do not use a blade. Form a queue to get into the bus. Do not harm each other. Do not put your hand or head out of the moving bus. Safety at home. Do not play with sharp things. Example, knife or blades. Do not put any object into your nose and ears. Never touch switches or plugs with your hands, with leaves or with twigs. Do not play on the banister or balcony. Do not play near the stove. Do not comb your hair in the kitchen. Do not catch any insects. Never play with fire. Listen children, if the action is safe, put a tick. And if the action is unsafe, put a wrong. So do it at home with help of your parents. Evaluation. Write T if true and F if false. First one, we can buy vegetables and fruits from a market. Now tell children, this sentence is right. So you have to write here T. Second one, we can get money from the ATM. Listen children, this sentence also right. So you have to write here T. Then third one, we can play with sharp objects. Is it correct? No. So you have to write here F. That means false. Then fourth one, we should not play on the road. This is right. We should not play on the road. So you have to write here T. Then second Roman letter, color the star green for the correct action and red for the wrong action. Listen children, do it at home with help of your parents. Then third Roman letter, cross out the objects that you should not play with. Listen children, which object you should not play? Yes, second one, fourth one and fifth one. So you have to cross it. Next, fourth exercise, write the name of the places located in your neighborhood. The first one is school. The second one is market. The third one is police station. Then fourth one is bus stand. Next, self-evaluation. I can describe my neighborhood. I know about different habitats. I adopt safe practice. Okay children, thank you.